Welcome back to Smart Home Hub. Today, we're taking a closer look at the compact and travel-friendly Espresso Companion, the CAFELFFE 3-in-1 portable coffee machine. Whether you're at home, in the office, or out hiking, this little brewer promises cafe-style versatility in a bag-friendly size. Let's dive in. What is it? This is a portable manual espresso machine, battery-free, electricity-free. Simply press, brew, and enjoy. It supports 3 modes: Nespresso-style capsules, Dolce Gusto-style capsules, or regular ground coffee. The idea? One machine, multiple formats, major convenience. According to the official specs, it houses a removable water tank and is very lightweight and compact. All-in-one compatibility. You're not tied to just one capsule brand. Use Nespresso, Dolce Gusto, or your own ground coffee. No power required. Manual operation means no cord, no plug, no battery. Ideal for travel, hiking, camping. Quick brew time. Because it's compact and manual, you can go from water plus capsule or grounds to espresso in 1 to 2 minutes. Portable dimensions and weight. The version we're seeing is small enough to slide into a backpack. The official size note, approximately 21.5 times 6.1 times 5.3 centimeters, and about 0.74 kilograms for some models. Removable and cleanable parts. The design allows for disassembly and cleaning, which is especially important when you're brewing on the road. Things to keep in mind. Because it's manual and compact, the cup size is small. You're not getting a large mug of coffee, more like a proper espresso shot. As one reviewer put it, the amount of coffee it makes is quite small. Also, the cleanup would be hard without a sink. The 15-bar or 18-bar pressure claims appear in specs, but some users are skeptical about whether it truly matches a full-sized espresso machine's extraction. When you're outdoors, cleaning can become tricky. You'll want to plan for water and rinse options. As with any capsule machine, quality of the final cup will depend heavily on the capsule or grounds you use. Don't expect full professional barista results, but rather a very good travel espresso. If you're someone who loves coffee, travels, camps, or simply wants a highly portable espresso option, the CAFELFFE 3-in-1 portable coffee machine is a strong pick. It nails the portability and flexibility angle. For everyday home use where you have the space and want full automation and large volume, there might be better choices. But for coffee anywhere use cases, this is a very appealing tool. Thanks for watching this overview from Smart Home Hub. If you like travel gear, coffee gear, and smart home style living on the go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you take this with you on your next trip? What matters most to you in a portable espresso maker? We'll see you in the next video. Until then, travel light, brew strong.